Hello, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we move on to our live analysis. Okay, so the key data, okay, that's going to be out in an hour's time will be Joel's job openings from the US. This is, previous was 7.6 million and forecast was 7.65 million. So we just have to wait for the data to be out. Then also do take note that since yesterday, okay, the daylight savings from the US has already been started, which means to say that market is opening 1 hour earlier. Okay, so that's the reason why we are doing at 9 o'clock. 21 and a half hours, and tomorrow will be slightly 1 hour early because of the data announcement. Okay, so then as far as this trades are concerned, okay, we are holding short pound at 12930, and right now this is losing about 44 pips. And dollar cat, we were long at 143.95, and this is making about 12-17 pips, and dollar cat we are long at 143.58. So we have booked a profit on a couple of trades. Then I think not sure whether the euro was okay. We booked on dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen and euro. I think yeah, it was making money. I think then it was closed at cost. So only the pound right now we are going to trade on this. Okay, let's move on to our analysis and our trades. Since there is no data out, we will start to trade on the Dow Jones and Nasdaq at 9:30. And as of now, we look into the the gold. Okay, the gold is right now. This is in a range on the 6 hours, which means to say the range is between 2893 and 2915 half, 15 half. So we should be trading within this range, and just register yourself 2893 and 2915 half. Okay. Then as far as daily is also within the range, but yesterday was a down close, so which means to say that this market is showing some weakness on the daily. Okay, as far as the lower time frame is concerned, I think the new time belt has just started, and the market is trading still around that range. So now, how are we going to trade this? Is we'll try to sell near 2915 half. Okay, that should be, and the stop should be above 2915 half. So let's move on to the trade. Okay, right now market open at 13 half. Right now is 10 half, and the low right now, this is trading near the low of your 360. Okay, and the high is 2914. So we are going to trade. Okay, then the TP should be 2907 half and 2903, and stop loss has to be above 16 half or 19 half. So let's move on to the chart, then we can go for a live trade. So if you look into the trade, okay, this time belt has just started. Okay, this is just started, and the high is 13 half and trying to break the your previous 120 low. So which means to say this weakness is expected to last for at least minimum 1 hour to a max of another 4 to 5 hours, and the maximum target we are looking at is 2893. Okay, so let's move on to this trade. So what we are going to do is we are going to try to sell at 11 half or 12. Okay, try to sell at 12 with a stop above 16 half, and the TP should be for this conservative TP should be either 7 or 3 half. Okay, so let's quickly go on to this trade. The market has already started moving, so we should be going for a sell. Okay, sell at 11 half, or if you feel if you are an aggressive trader, then you can even sell at 10 half. Okay, this is we are going for a sell 291111. Okay, 16 half 2903, 3 half. Okay, and this is expiry is until 10:30. So we would be trying to go for the trade, and if you are aggressive trader, try to sell at 10 or 10 half. Okay, let me key in this trade. So I repeat, if you are an aggressive trader, try to go for a sell at 10 or 10 half. Then if you are a conservative trader, then go for a sell at 11 or 11 half, because we got to be in this trade, and we should be looking to push the price towards 2904. So I'm trying to sell at 10. Right now is 8 half. Okay, so while we are waiting for that trade to get filled, we would see whether we have any other opportunity. Okay, see the dollar yen seems to be moving higher. Dollar yen is breaking the previous 360 high. So let's see that while we are waiting for this trade. Okay, so the dollar yen seems to be showing strength, and I think we should see the price heading towards 148 35 130 sorry 148 35, or even towards 148.80 and 148.90. So what we can do is we can go for a buy, and this strength is expected to last for another 1 hour 40 to 50 minutes, 1 hour 50 minutes. Okay, so what we will do is we will take the stop at 70, which is your 2 hours low, or 65. Okay, so as far as the entry is concerned, we should be looking to go for a buy at 80. Okay, 80, take 80, 85, go for a buy, stop at 60, and TP at 14825 or 14835. So this is another trade which we are going while we are waiting for our gold order to be filled, and this is, we go for a limit buy 147.85. Okay, 85, stop at 60, and TP at 35 or 25, and this is again, expiry is until since we are trying to go near the market, we'll put it as 22. Okay, let me key in that trade as well. $85, 60. Okay, for the dollar yen, the TP should be either at 25 or 35. Okay, so the gold, I think the 10, even the 11, I think is filled because it's trading beyond 1130. So this trade is also failed. So we are trying to wait for the dollar yen to get filled. Okay, this is filled. This is filled. So we'll wait for the dollar yen. So let's look into the gold. Okay, market is having some pullback, and I think this should be limited to another 1-2 minutes. Okay, another 1-2 minutes, then after that we should see the price moving lower. Okay, in fact, the market hit 11, and right now this market has turned down, and this is already coming off. Okay, this is already coming off, and we should see the price moving in our direction. Okay, so we are waiting for the other order to fill, and the gold is filled, and we would wait for the price, and we will tell you how to go about this trade to manage this. Okay, so while we are waiting for this trade, let's look into the okay, sorry. So while we are waiting, I mean, we got our gold order filled at 11. I'm sure you all have taken. I'm not sure whether you have taken at 10 or 11, but I think most likely the order is filled, and right now this is showing lower. Okay, so let's okay, hold on. I think I'm showing the wrong chart. Okay, so now we are already started making about $3.5. If you have taken, sorry, if you have taken at 11, then it's 3.5. If you've taken at 10, then it's about $2 plus, and we are in the money, and let it work. So while we are waiting for this trade, we will start moving on to our NASDAQ analysis. Okay, So the Nasdaq, okay, yesterday, I'm not sure how many of you have taken the trade on Nasdaq. Yesterday was a big drop, and it dropped, I think, more than uh, 2015. So I mean, close to about thousand, thousand, thousand points. Okay, so now what we are seeing now is, looks like we may have seen the base. Okay, looks like we may have seen the base, and right now what we are seeing is, okay, we are seeing some pullback towards the correction. So what we should be doing is, we should be trying to buy near, this time will finish in another 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. So what we can do, we can look to buy near this low. Okay, and of course this is provided, if this is the low, then we should see this high break. If this is not the low, then market may try to test one more round lower. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to try to buy at 19403, somewhere near that level, or slightly lower. So let me double confirm with the system, then I'll give you the clear entry point. Okay, so for those of you who have just joined, okay, I'm just letting you know that we have shorted gold at 2911, and right now this is making about $3. So we expect this weakness to continue for another at least 45 minutes, 43 to 45 minutes, the minimum, or it may drag for another 1 2 hours. So that one, I think we have to wait until this market closes in the next 43 minutes. So we would be holding the sell. Okay, now next, the Nasdaq. Okay, let me log into the system, and also give the plan for this. Sorry. Okay, I repeat again. Sorry. Okay, we are looking to buy Nasdaq at two levels. Okay, one is if you are an aggressive trader, try to buy at 19405. Then, if you are a conservative trader, try to buy at 350. Then the stop loss, we should be seeing the price, the stop loss to be around 295. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are trying to buy Nasdaq at 19350, stop at 295, and TP we will put it very conservative profit, which is 540. But if your 540 and 585 breaks, then we should see the price moving higher. Okay, so this one this trade we will just put in, let it work, then we will see. Then we have one more entry which we are looking to buy near 405. Okay, so this one I'll tell you, but I don't want to give it as a signal. But this is, we got to do if you call yourself a aggressive trader. Okay, aggressive trader, you can go for a buy at 4 440, 440 or 445. Okay, then we should see the price pushing higher. So let me key in this order as well. So we'll wait for the market to open. Then we would see how we want to take this trade. Okay, so basically I'm just telling you, we should be looking to buy somewhere near 430, 445 or 405, any one of these three levels if you call yourself an aggressive trader. But we have to wait for another 6 more minutes. Then after the 6 more minutes, then we will get a clear idea where it's heading. Then after that we should be able to manage this trade. So overall, we are not expecting below 380 or 330. Okay, for tonight. Okay, for tonight, so if this is going to be the base, but if this is not the base, then probably this market may head south and try to break the low. Then as of the Dow Jones is concerned, okay, looks like Dow Jones looks weaker than the Nasdaq. So this is only about 200 points away from the low. So this one also we would try to see whether the price is going to go lower. Again, if this is the low, then we should not see this price going beyond 141 760. Yeah, hold on. Let me double confirm with this tick. Yeah, correct. So beyond one one four sorry 41 760 or 725, we should not see the price going below, and we should see the price turning up anywhere before that level. So what we are going to do is we will try to buy at 760, then the stop we'll try to put at 655, and the TP we will try to put in below this high. Okay, below this high. So if this below this high or extension of this level, we should see 760. So about 42 42 42015. Okay, 42015 or 41975. Okay, so I think we have another order on the Dow. Forty-one 760, 41 655, and 41 975. So this is about 210 pips. Okay, this is also half lot, and this is again, this is expiry is until 21 23 hours. So let's wait for the market to open, main market to open, then we can give additional levels of entry for in case, if we don't get our order filled. Okay, let me key in this order as well. Okay, we have 1 more minute, okay, for the the main market to come. And gold, for those of you who will come in late, okay, we have just shorted gold at 2911. Okay, 2911, and we are trying to buy Nasdaq. Okay, I think the main market is going to come in soon. Okay, the main market is going to come in soon. Okay, the market is already coming open. Okay, so here if you call yourself aggressive trader, so the only thing is, the aggressive traders, I can just tell you, okay, the conservative traders. Okay, if you're aggressive traders, you can go for a buy at market, okay, for the Nasdaq, and the stop has to be quite far. So if you are planning to take, you take. Otherwise, it's okay, you know. So you have to put below 380. So as of the Dow, also I think we would want to go for a buy. Let it get stabilized first, because the first 15 minutes is a bit critical, and we got to see whether the market is stabilizing around that level. So we just wait, okay. And actually I'm long Nasdaq at 45, and the Dow is, I'm just waiting for a bit more price a bit lower, okay. So then the gold, I think, is still moving around our price. So we got to wait for this market to make its move. Okay, until then, I think we can't do anything to this. Sorry again, sorry again. Okay, the gold is moving up. I repeat, gold is moving up. So it's testing the 15 half. So what is going to happen is, okay, if we get stopped out, then most likely the next level we should be looking for is either a failure or try to sell at the 25 half. Remember the earlier on the session, I was saying that we should be looking for these two levels for the market to turn. Okay, so let's wait to see what happens, then we will try to go about it. Okay, so now the Dow, think the Dow is filled. Okay, the Dow is filled. Okay, we are still seeing the price coming off. Let it get stabilized. Okay, let it get stabilized, then we should see the price stabilizing somewhere there. Then we should see the price turning. Okay, if of course if we are right on the bullish. So the gold, I think we got stopped out. Okay, we got stopped out. So I think we got to wait for the re-entry for the gold. Okay, let's wait. I'll tell you the next level we are looking at is 25 half. So 25 half, we should see the price turning down. If we see the 25, sorry, the 25 half turning, then that should be off. We should see the failure. Okay, failure means the price moves back to fail to test the high and turns. Okay, so and I think the dollar yen is also failed. The dollar yen is also failed. The Dow is also failed. Okay, gold we got stopped out. We are waiting for a new entry. Okay, the Dow is making about 40 pips. Okay, the Dow is making about 40 pips, and this just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, so now sorry again. I actually am making this mistake because see, I'm having a cough. So when I go on mute, I always try to forget. I'm very sorry, very sorry. Okay, let me repeat again. Okay, so this the Dow Jones. Okay, let's do one by one. The gold we'll wait for a re-entry. Okay, we have to wait to see whether we can sell at 25 or to see whether there is a failure, then we'll go for a sell on that. So as far as this Dow Jones is concerned, we got to see, and right now this is still not stabilized yet, so we got to wait to see whether we can see any stability on this, or whether we are going to see the price breaking the low. Okay, so now as far as the Nasdaq is concerned, remember I told you I bought at 45, so now I've already out, so I'm waiting for a re-entry again. So this one also, I think as of now we can't give any trade. Then since we have no trades, let's work on the gold. Okay, the gold, let me log into my system, then we can seriously discuss on this matter. Okay, the Dow is weak. The Dow is weak. Looks like it may test the low as well. Okay, so we will wait until this market gives a turn. Okay, let's discuss the gold in detail. Okay, what I'm looking for is I'm trying to go for a sell at 25. Okay, 2925. Once I get that level, then most likely I might go for a add-on trade, because I've already got stopped out on this. Okay, let me just see one more. Okay, so if you look into gold, since we got stopped out, so now we are trying to go for a sell at 25 half. Okay, 25 half, or we should go for a stop sell. Okay, stop sell, I'll tell you, because once it breaks 18 or 16, then this is a failed break. Okay, this is a failed break. Okay, Nasdaq, you book profit. Okay, good for you. Okay, I'm happy for you. You have to exit at 19540. Okay, so in fact I closed that earlier. Okay, so that is thing. Now let's move on to our gold analysis. So what we are going to do is, we are going to, since we got stopped out, we are going to go for a sell. Okay, sell at 29255, 295, 29035. The TP is 29. In fact, the current time belt low is 7 half. So we got to exit before 7 half. So we'll try to exit at 8 half. And this one we'll try to put in until another 2.5 hours. So now what we should be expecting for this market. Okay, what we should be expecting is, let's go in detail. Okay, so there's two way. Okay, one is market should move higher, and we should see the price testing the 25 or 26. Okay, because this has got another 2.5 hours time left. There's plenty of time, so we can go for a thing. Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. I just want to take a trade. Give me a minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. So now, let's. I think the gold right now is trading at 21. So let it move up. Let it move up because I don't want to go for a buy on this. I would rather wait for the market to go for a sell. So there's two ways which we can trade. One is try to sell at 25 half, which we are trying. The next one should be uh, just give me 1 minute, because I'm also trying doing my own trade. So the next one is we have to go for a stop sell if it breaks 17 half. So we'll closely monitor this trade and we will see how we can exit this with the, I mean, enter the trade without fail, without getting back the thing, getting back to recover the loss. Okay, just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, so right now the high is 22. Okay, wait for this market. Hold on, I think I'm showing the wrong chart. Okay, so right now this is at 22, and right now showing some weakness, but still not convinced for a sell. Okay, not convinced for a sell. Okay, so what we would do is we will wait, give some more time. Either we'll try to sell at 25 if we seen, or if we get a confirmation that the market has already turned, then we go for a sell, and that should be our game plan to get back on track. Okay, so now coming back to the Dow. Okay, the Dow now is showing some stability. Okay, this is showing some stability, but yet to see this market confirm that the low is seen. So we have to give some more time, and I think our TP is 970. Okay, right now is 820. So we'll wait. Okay, we'll wait. We have nothing to do on this. Okay. Then as for the Nasdaq, okay, market is showing a lot of strength. I think we should be looking to go for a buy again once this level breaks. Okay, so now I think Nasdaq is showing strength, so let it move up. So we will try to go for a re-entry, because even though we have exited, we can go for a re-entry. Okay, we'll try to buy at 1480, and the stop should be 1430, and the TP should be extension of this level, which is beyond that level, which is 19650. So this is going to move even higher. Okay, so only the Nasdaq showing strength, the Dow Jones is still not showing strength, and the other market as well. Okay, so only one market is showing strength. So that means to say that there is a divergence on the market movement. Okay, so let's see this again. The Dow, I think I want to raise my stop. Okay, right now this is coming off again. See, this is the problem. Sometimes when we do 2-3 instruments. Okay, raise my stop. I want to raise my stop at 655. Let me see where I can raise it. Okay, the low is 680, and this is not showing much strength, and the market looks a bit weak again. So what we will do, I think we'll try to close the Dow Jones at market. Okay, we close first. Okay, let's close that, then we will re-enter again. Okay, try to close at market, please. Okay, I'm closing at 40. Okay, I've already closed at 40. Close the Dow Jones at market. Okay, then we'll do a re-entry again. I've taken a loss of 20 pips. Okay, because the thing is, the market is still not seen the low yet. Okay, we have not seen the low yet. So we have taken the loss, and we will try to go for a re-entry on this. Okay, now the gold. See, now the gold is coming off. Okay, as we said that we wanted to sell at 25. So now is 22. Now is coming off. So chances are the 22 might be the high. If 22 is the high, then the 16 half should break. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are trying to go for a, give me a minute, stop sell at 16. Okay, we are going to sell stop sell. This one, since looks like the market is failing at that 22. So we are going for a stop sell. Remember we had the Dow, I think we only lost 20 pips. The Nasdaq we booked profit, but the gold we lost about $5. So we need to take back that loss. So 2916 stop sell, 2923. The high is 22, so we'll put it as 22 half. Okay, then the TP we will put it as 2908. So the loss I think is just we only getting about $8. Okay, and this is, okay, I repeat, this is not for conservative traders. Okay, this is for aggressive trader. So if you're a conservative trader, try to sell at 19 half. Okay, we are giving one more trade. Try to sell at 19 half, and we would go for a stop at 23. So 2919 half, 2923, and the top TP is 2908. So we will be having two trades in hand if in the event both are filled. So I repeat, this is for conservative traders. Okay, if we see 2919 half, we will try to go for a sell on that. Then this is for a aggressive trader, so you don't have to put in two orders. Okay, either one will do. So you'll try to go for 19 half or 16, but the TP should be the same. Okay, the TP should be the same, 2908. So we'll try to recover a loss. Okay, we'll try to recover a loss by putting back this trade again. Okay, let me get back on track. Okay, so I repeat for those of you who come in late. Okay, we have taken a trade on Nasdaq which we have booked profit. So now we are the Dow, I think we closed at a 20 pips loss. Then gold we got stopped out at $5, $5.5. Okay, now we are trying to go for a re-entry on gold to get back the loss, because the thing is, this move up was a bit unexpected, because we were expecting weakness, but all of a sudden we got this. So let's see how this trade is going to come about. Okay, so we are waiting for this gold order to fill, and as for the Dow, I think we have to go for a reanalyze of the Dow. We have yet to see the low. Okay, so if the market breaks this low, then we may see the price moving lower towards 41,480 or even lower. Okay, so we have yet to see the low. Then as of Nasdaq, looks like we may have seen the low, but we just have to wait for this market to give us a confirmation. But looks like, I think we are going to see the correction soon. Okay, so that means this is going to come down. This is going to come down. I think this is failed again on the high. So let's see how this thing comes about. Okay, let's see. The gold is still not filled yet. Okay, we will wait to see. And I think the Dow is pushing higher. Okay, this is showing up, down, up, down. You know, it's like it's really difficult to trade. But I think this kind of scenario, sell stop order filled. Okay, so if your sell stop order is filled, okay, I repeat, for gold, if your sell stop order is filled, then this 19 half, okay, this is you're taking a risk. Maybe you just wait to see whether that 25, order, whether the price touches the 25. Okay, so this is where a bit tricky part, because sometimes when we do a stop sell, we may get sometimes caught in the low side of the market. So that is where we got to be very careful, and that's why I said that if you are an aggressive trader, then go for the trade. Otherwise, you just wait for the market to really give us a confirmation. But as of now, what we feel is, okay, there is a likely chance. Okay, there is a likely chance, because we wanted to sell at 25. Okay, we wanted to sell at 25, but there is a likely chance that 22 might be the high. Okay, might be the high. But for confirmation, we need to see the price going below 16 for confirmation. If you see below 16, then for sure we can see the price that this is going to be the high, and we can expect this price to move lower. So we just have to wait. There's nothing much we can do on this, and either you go for a sell at 19 half, or go for a stop sell. So we are okay. What is going to happen is, okay, let me give you, okay, right. So now you see this time has already completed. So now we have into the new time belt, and now we should see the weakness coming in. Okay, now we should see the weakness coming in if we are right in our analysis. So we should see the price testing, not say testing, breaking 16. We should see the price breaking 16 comfortably. Okay, comfortably. Then we should see the price moving lower. Okay, by the way, the dollar cat, okay, while we are waiting, okay, by the way, the dollar cat, I think we have taken profit 70 pips. Okay, we have entered at 43.95, and we have exited at 44.75. Okay, so that is the thing. And also the see, the Dow is already broke the low, so what is going to happen is the Nasdaq buy, I think I would want to cancel it. Okay, cancel first. We may see the price pushing lower, so let it go down first. Okay, so the dollar cat, I think we have already taken profit. Now the trade we are holding is pound sell, dollar yen buy. Just now we bought, and the dollar cat, previously we bought at 43.60. Okay, I think that one also we may want to uh, book the profit. So we'll wait for the gold to turn. Okay, we'll wait for the gold to turn, and we need to see the price turning comfortably. Okay, right now I think it's moving back to 19. So your 19 half should have filled. Okay, the 19 half should have been filled. So this one, I think the swing trading, I think the high was 145. Okay, so maybe this one I want to put it as 145 and raise this top to 44.30. Okay, that means it's still we make about 70 pips, and we would still try to uh, close the trade with a profit. Okay, let's move on to our gold. Okay, the gold, okay, we have yet to see the weakness confirmed. See, just now I told you we need to see a break of this to see that this is going to be the high. But the only good thing is we are into the new time belt. So hopefully this market gives a weakness now. If not, then what is going to happen is if you get stopped out again, then we got to do a re-entry. Okay, we got no other options and no other alternatives. So this is, see, especially when you trade for a living, this has to be done then and then for you to get back on track and make sure you stay on the business. Okay, so if this round, if we get stopped out, I don't think we have anything to say. It's just that we're just unlucky, then we have to come back again in another day. Okay, so we this there's two things can happen, like as I said, the market can or may turn down from here, or we should see the price testing the 25 or 26 before the market turns down. Okay. So let me do for those people who have just joined. Okay. Before that, okay, what I'm going to do, since this is since we have already lost and stopped out, so this 25 half I may want to raise it to 28 half and 32 half, and the TP will put it as 2908. Okay, and this is what we got to keep. Hold on, let me double check before, one last time before we see whether. Okay, the previous was 30 half. Previous high was 30 half. Okay, I think we will put it as 30 half. Okay, since we are already losing, and second trade we have taken, we still have not giving us the move what we expect, so we got to be a bit careful. Okay. Okay, now okay, this 19th half is filled. Okay, so now what I'm expecting, okay, now we just for those of you who came in late, okay, we took a trade on Nasdaq, we took a profit. Okay, we took a profit of close to, I think, about 100 over pips. Then Dow Jones, we closed with the loss of 20 pips. Then what did we do? Then the gold, we got stopped out. Okay, we stopped out. We shorted at 16 half. Then we shorted at 11. Then we stopped out at 16 half. Now we have a re-entry at 19 half with a stop above the current high. Okay, with a stop above the current high. So we are expecting this market to turn down. We are expecting this market to turn down, and we don't want to go for a buy. And also at the same time, the turning we are expecting somewhere before 23, which is the current high is 22. So if this is the turn, if it's going to happen, then we got to see the price breaking 16. Okay, if 16, if we are right, then we should see the price breaking the 16. But if let's say the 16 doesn't break, then chances are the market may push one more round before the market sees the top. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, okay, early on I did say that, okay, go for aggressive traders, go for a stop sell at 16. So if some of you, if your stop sell has been triggered, okay, all I can say is, you're a bit unfortunate, and sometimes this does happen. So this is, you got to get yourself prepared. So next time, when this happens, so at least you know what to do and how to do things. So what I can do, what I can tell you this is, we should expect this weakness because this is a new time belt, and we should see the price breaking this low for confirmation. That means we should see this high to be limited, this high not to be broken, and we should see this low break. Then we are right, then we should see the price market turn, then we should see the price moving lower towards 2908, or even lower. The next level is 2903. So as of now, because today I think there is a data out at 11. Okay, jobs open. No, it's already out, I think 10 o'clock. Hold on. Okay, let me see. Yeah, the data came out to be slightly better. Okay, market expecting was 7.65 million, and previous was revised to 7.51, and previous was revised to 7.51 and current actual was 7.74, which is the data is slightly better. Okay, so now we are into the trade. Okay, once we are into the trade, there's nothing we can do. Either we decide to close or we decide to fight. So if you feel, if your stop sell order is filled, because right now the possibility is two things. One is, if this may be the high for the day, if this is the high, this low has to break and this low has to be tested. Okay, which means to say that's where we are trying to go for a stop sell here and try to put a TP here. Okay, which is our plan is very precise. But if let's assume this is not the high, then we should see the price breaking this high and pushing towards 25 or even 30. Okay, so as of now we are holding a sell at 19.5. Okay, we have a stop sell at 2916. So for some of you may have triggered the stop sell. So if that's the case, either I suggest to you decide to close now, wait and see. That can be one attitude. Another way is you fight to put a 23 stop, then you lose $7. Then we got to fight for the next level, which is 30 half or even 35. Okay, that should be your final move. So as of now, if you look into the trend, okay, okay, this is daily. It has been in a range 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 days in a row. So even if it closes today on the high, okay, even if it closes near the high, tomorrow morning should be a selling point and you should be looking for a sell to see the price coming off. Okay, but as of now, okay, we are in the tight range and we are in the so-called in a dilemma. So there's nothing much we can do unless we wait. Okay, another clue. Okay, this what I'm trying to tell you is, since this has been in a range for the last 30 minutes. Okay, for those people who have shorted at 16, okay, what I would suggest is try to close this at 17 or take a loss. Okay, because what I feel is the high is not seen yet. Okay, we may see one more spike up before the market is going to see the low. So since if that's the case, okay, what I'm going to do for now, okay, the stop sell I'm going to cancel. And this 19 half, okay, I want to close it at 16 half or 17. Okay, I want to take profit first, because what I feel now is, okay, stop, bring it down to 20 half and close this trade. Okay, exit this trade, then we will fight for the next one, because the the price action what we are seeing now doesn't seems to be saying that the high is confirmed. So try to close the trade. Okay, try to close the trade and put a sell. Okay, I don't know why it says stopped out. Okay, actually, this is supposed to be closing at 16 half. Okay, because I just revised the thing because sometimes this is a bit funny on our system. Okay, try to close your trade at uh, 16, because what we feel is we are going to see one more spike up. Okay, before the this price comes to okay, so we are going to see one more spike up. Okay, so this is what we feel, and the best thing is you wait for the thing, because I mean I don't want to give a buy call because the market is expected to show. So anyway, I'm closing my trade. uh, okay, so I'm out of this trade because this price action uh, seems to for me is it is going to see one more push on the high. Okay, but of course I don't want to take any chance since I've already got stopped out earlier, so I would rather close it to see, then we will see how it comes about. Okay, unless we get a convincing break. Okay, right now you see after we have decided to close, now it's coming off, so we just have to, I mean see, if it's not our day means we can't do anything. Okay, so like again I'm telling you, the view for gold is, okay, we want to go for a sell, and the selling levels are near 23, 25 and 30. Okay, so in fact we closed, uh, maybe we exited, our move was wrong, but I think no regrets, because we have already early on we got stopped out. See, always, you see, it all depends on the confidence level. So if we are, our confidence level is at the peak, we can go on for the trade. But if let's say we are in the wrong side, see, we are just unfortunate. See, after we close, this market is coming off and we are seeing the break now. So, but what I feel is this weakness is going to last for only another 6 more minutes. Okay, 6 more minutes. Then I think we should see the price being in a range at least for the next uh, couple of hours. I mean, this is what I feel. But of course, if it breaks the low and keeps coming off, then I think it's too bad. We are unfortunate, and we have just missed the boat, and there's nothing much we can do on that. Okay, so before we go off, I just want to say that, okay, the Nasdaq also seems to be weak. Okay, I think we got to wait and see until we are seeing the base. Okay, then the Dow looks really weak because it's already trading the new lows, so we also have no option on this, so we'll just have to wait for this thing to take its base. Okay, but we just have to wait, and I don't think we can get any trade. Uh, yeah, I think we have to wait for midnight. No choice, because see, sometimes you see we have to wait for a couple of hours to to get so-called our trade. Sometimes, we are fortunate, we will get it then and then fill. So looks like the weakness is coming on now. Though even the gold, we are see we were confident that this market is going to turn uh, before, but what seems now is, okay, this pattern here is really disturbing me, because for the last 15 minutes, for the last 45 minutes, this has been in a range on the 15 minute. Okay, which means to say this is not a good sign for a turn. Usually when the turn happens, we should see the price making lower lows and market should turn. So this is not giving me the confidence of a turn. So which means to say that we feel that this market may push higher towards 25 or 30 before the turn happens. Maybe today the market may show its strength. Maybe tomorrow morning, once the market is open, we may see the weakness coming in, or we may see the price turning down. Okay, so that's the only thing we can do, because and if you ask me to go for a buy, I'm not very keen in buying now, because this shows a very high risky trade, because the upside is already overbought. We are seeing a divergence, and the upside should be limited. So that's the reason we don't want to go for a buy, and we will just stick to our selling rules. Okay. So with that, I think I will just end my session. Good luck to you guys. And today, I think I wouldn't say very bad day, but I think I would still say a break even, because I think Nasdaq we made some money, and Dow we just had a small loss instead of having a big loss. If then the gold is the one that got stopped out, and we are trying to go for a re-entry. So maybe if we get a 30 sell half 30, then that might help us to recover this loss. We just wait, and we'll see how this thing comes about. Okay. Okay, thank you. See you again tomorrow. Bye.